of you have the magic power inside you. Each one of you have the magic lamp inside you. Don't worry about the background you come from. Don't worry about what people think about you. Each one of you have a magic lamp inside you. You are a genius. You are a genius. The word genius, if you break it up, it becomes genie in us. You're going to share, each one of you, you're going to find out one accomplishment you have achieved by tapping this power which is gifted to each one of you, the power of manifestation. If you want to realize something great in your life, if you want to achieve something great in your life, first of all you have to decide, you have to make a clear-cut decision in your life. Once you decide something, you have to believe. That means a feeling inside you must tell you it is going to happen. I will make it happen. I may not have the capabilities. I don't know how it will happen, but I will make it happen. It is going to happen one day. That is called belief. A kind of feeling. A feeling, an intuition telling you that it will happen. Somehow you'll make it happen. You'll find a way. A sense of certainty. This is what most people lack. They want many things in life, but they don't believe. They have doubt, they have fear, and this doubt and fear doesn't allow them to take the next step, to move towards what they want. They move away from it. They move away from it. So having the right belief is very important. Once you believe enough, you believe that one day you'll become a great businessman, one day you'll drive a Mercedes Benz. If you believe enough, you will start making mental pictures in your mind. You will start visualizing. Once you believe something absolutely, you can't wait. You can't wait when the Mercedes Benz will come. You start picturing, you start making pictures of Mercedes Benz and seeing it in your mind's eye. Seeing it with your mind's eye. That is called visualization. Making pictures in your mind and seeing it with your mind's eye. You know what happens when you visualize? Whenever you visualize, you make mental pictures in your mind, your brain will pick up these pictures. Your brain, which is a supercomputer, it will work on these pictures and transform those mental images into a chemistry and put it into your blood, put it into your body, and that will inspire you.